That's your first plan before you start the project.
Exactly. But then according to your explanation, somehow, somewhere, you say that there are some activities that you can wake up in the morning and say that maybe today I think I need to do ABC. So in that context, I wanted to know that during what we call project planning, do you, first of all, who is responsible in the planning of the project among the consultancy structure for the contractors? That is issue number one. Then issue number two, as you are saying that there are some activities that you can start, but when they are not officially started, I want to be enlightened.
When they are not actually started.
Yes.
I don't know if you maybe understood me very well. I was giving an example that you yourself here, you should wake up and you do infrastructure analysis, network analysis, for your own activities, you yourself. What you going to do? You get it? But in the planning phase of the project, like you've already seen right from the start, someone comes up with a Gantt chart, someone comes up with this network analysis diagram, and that's usually the project manager or the project engineer, depending on the title that you have in your organization. But whoever is on top, they do these things. Actually, sometimes even the quantity surveyors do it. Okay, someone who has a managerial skills, exactly managerial skills, they do these things, but with consultation of the people who actually do the actual work, and also relating on the resources they come and have. Actually, that is how they come up with these network diagrams. Now, what happens on a weekly basis? You the manager, what you meant to do is to come into your analysis and look at the current. Let me say this has started. Actually, really, we are trying to even put the days and the time, isn't it, of each of the activities. So in a way, you even know when a particular activity should start. But that doesn't mean that it's actually going to happen that way every time. Okay? In some instances, it might, and if it does, we proceed that. In fact, they always allow you updating your schedules every after 2 weeks because there have been challenges that have come along the way. It has rained, so you've lost 2 days. So now you update it. Okay? Actually, it's called tracking. You're tracking your project schedule. You're saying now, yes, I planned that it will take me 7 months. This activity will take me 7 months, but I've been forced to extend it because of my work money. So you even need to look out for why is it that I'm lagging behind. You get it? In fact, on some projects, the consultants demand that you give them every after 2 weeks. On other projects, it's actually contractual that you submit a monthly works program, your schedule. How do you intend to do the activities in this month? What do you need to do? What do you think you're going to do in this month? And you also give them you give them the schedules, the time. I'm going to do this within this time and this time. You get it? So after you've updated what you've updated, now on a weekly basis, what you're meant to do as a contractor is extract from your schedule that you have all that you developed and you give to your workers that this week, this is what we need to do. This should be our outputs. This should be our deliverables. Are you together? Something like that. I don't know if I've really answered the questions.
You have answered it correctly.
But
that's what I want.
How do you know that it's correct?
It's correct because you see the way you explain it at first, it's like as if it is, but now the way you are it's just like as if just passing around. You know, when we are here, we really want to know these things because they will not end here.
That's true.
Immediately, maybe after here, we were going to get exposed to the world. And now being somebody from here, they expect you, maybe they say now you are at a managerial level.
These are soft skills.
So one to make, maybe you are now a clerk of works. Want to start planning for this. Finding that maybe by the time you explain it from here, somebody did not get it.
But again, like I say, remember the other time when I was talking about a program called MS Project? Do you remember them? Yes. Most of these things, after you learn them theoretically, they are easier ways of getting them done. Right together. You could sit on the computer, it's MS Project. If you type MS Project in your if you type project on your site, on your computer, you will see it's going to come. And it's going to build it in this scale. Put tasks. You can watch tutorials about how this is